how to use LinkedIn company page step by step. First things first, go ahead and launch the LinkedIn application on your device or simply launch any web browser of your choice. Then type LinkedIn business company page. You'll be sent to this create a LinkedIn company page option or website. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on the create a free page once again. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and tap on this use the application option. From here, now you simply have to go ahead and then select the company and fill in your official organization name, your website URL, industry, organization size, and the organization type. Now proceed to add the visuals and tagline and verify the authorization, then click the create page. Now you simply have to write a detailed about section and upload a cover image and also add call to action and also insert the location itself. And there you go. This is how you can use the LinkedIn company page. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.